Here you can see this is the route to Neer waterfall, and it's very pretty. Okay. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, huh? So let's ride to Neer waterfalls. I'm pretty excited for this. This is your one second contestant. The road you can see, it's pretty bad, and riding here is pretty bad too. You got to ride this road. We're gonna enjoy this too much. As you can see, the track itself was very I would say that everyone who comes for a ride on Rishikesh should ride this path to Neer waterfall. It is quite good for a ride, adventurous approach. A glove. You can see the path is going too good to ride. Riding this road is fun. Little fun actually. I don't have a program, but I suppose that this video will be worthy. As you can see, the track and the route. Oh my god, that is good. That is just so good. हैं? नहीं भैया okay, so we are stuck now. Sorry, my phone just fall. Yeah, you guys go. You guys carry on.